Welcome.
We got ideas.
Thank you again for all your support. Today we will be drawing a pencil. So grab your art supplies. But before we do, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and happy drawing. First, we will start making two sides like a triangle. The last side, we will make a W. Draw a small curved line for the tip of the pencil. For each corner of the W, make horizontal lines. Now let's draw a line to connect them all. Here's the part we draw the ferrule. That's the part right above the eraser. For the eraser, we're going to make a curved line. It looks like a semicircle. Now let's make the eyes. And the eyebrow. The smile. The cheeks. Of course, we can't forget the feet. Good job. You're almost there. It's time to color it.
Pencil.
Fun fact, did you know that an average size pencil can draw a line as long as 35 miles long or right around 45,000 words? Wow. Great job, everyone. Remember, little artists, if you want to submit your artwork to me, email me at the email address below.
Like, share,
Subscribe.